right, so we're on the last one. They're going to ask you how to make a text wrap. So you see that this text here is being hidden by this symbol, and we want it to wrap around the symbol. All right, so what you're going to do is click on the object that you want to be the text wrap and go to Object and go to Text Wrap and say Make. All right, so they might ask you to even change the size of the text wrap. So we see that that is now wrapping around that, but maybe they want the text wrap to be a different size. You probably saw that when we went here, text wrap options. If you click that, then you can make it whatever size they tell you. We'll just put 30, and you can see that that gave it a little extra padding around those words. All right, this one was really easy, so I'm going to make you do one more time at practicing the type on a path. So we're going to go up here to Type tool, click Type on a path again. We're going to click up there and we're going to write text wrap, and we are going to make it white. So while I have my cursor on there, I'm going to do Command A to select it, change the fill color, and we're going to make it white, and we're going to make it centered. Once again, we're going to get our selection tool going there, and then let's zoom in so we can really see this. And make sure you click on that little line and get that little icon at the bottom with the arrow and the line, and pull that down here so that it goes all the way down there, and then make sure paragraph as said centered. All right, that's it. So that should be everything you need to know on the Illustrator Certification exam regarding type.